20 I heal myself from within. Affirmations. I am emotionally connected to a plentiful source of healing. I can draw from it any time. I am physically connected to a plentiful source of healing. I can draw from it any time. As I focus on healing myself from within, I open myself to new opportunities. I welcome all of the ways I can be healed. I remain open-minded and open-hearted to the healing within me. I am willing to embrace the broken parts of me in need of the most love. I welcome all things that serve me and help me grow and heal. I am my main priority. My healing matters and I am worthy of a good life. I will be at peace with myself and who I am. I am excited to become the person I am meant to be. My insecurities fade and dissolve with every act of self-compassion. I am in love with self-care. When I think healing thoughts, I feel myself healing. I choose loving thoughts. I choose nourishing thoughts. My body is a temple and I will treat it with respect. I can heal myself and I will heal myself. I am grateful for my life, and I appreciate my body and spirit. Small choices lead to big changes and in them, I will heal. I choose to heal. I am healed. Healing is the only option.